Hello, good day. So, we are here at our 4th year anniversary. So, nagkaroon kami ng dental mission ngayon. So, andito pa rin kami sa clinic. We started this type ng dental mission, yung nasa clinic talaga, kasi we want yung mga pasyente namin na maka-experience talaga ng kung paano yung setting talaga ng dental clinic. At saka mas controlled natin yung sitwasyon. Kaya dito namin naisipan na gawin. Ginagawa na namin to last year pa, but ano, small scale lang. Pero ngayon, much bigger, mas marami po yung pasyente. Sana maging successful at saka walang magiging aberya. So, yun lang naman po ang wish ko sa dental mission na ito.
So hello guys, thank you again since today is naging successful yung ating event for our 4th year anniversary na dental mission. So I would like to thank our sponsors. And then, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa mga staffs na tumulong, lalo na yung from Antipolo, bumapapas sila here sa Marikina. And of course, yung buong AD team, hindi magiging successful tong event na to without you guys. And ang dapat ninyong abangan, siguro by next year, same pa rin, magkakaroon tayo ng dental mission. So stay tuned, follow nyo lang yung Facebook page namin and all our social media platforms. So yun lang, thank you! Thank you, ADT.
ADT, thank you po.